Today I'll be testing this vintage John Deere chainsaw. Looks like a Model 30, and these saws are made by Echo. You can see down here it says Kyoritsu Corporation, made in Japan, and usually that's Echo. So it looks in good shape for an old saw. The paint's not too chipped on it. Even the underneath is not too bad. It's got good compression. So I'll try it out in a log of birch, see how she does. Anyways, it seems to run pretty good. That's pretty good for a small chainsaw.